Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another rigged recap. It is Monday, July 14th. Following the system, paid big. Let's look at this Q. Open right at 554. You go down back to the blue line. This is the important part. We go down to this 552 strike right here and return to the blue, the opening price for the session, right at 554. Okay, when we read the strategy guide here, it's very neutral, right? Because we went down, we came back up, and now we're flat. But read this. If there was a 2 to 3 strike move and return to BL, so 2 strike move down, return to the blue line, price may continue in that direction. Watch for mean reversion in the yellow or red zone. Price may continue in that direction. So what we have here, we go up, you get a bull bomb, okay? Let's just turn the returns off for now. When this thing comes in, 38% win rate, 30-day, 53.85%. We look and we say, hey, this is a great alert. Let's zoom in. Comes in right here at 1017, but we know we've already moved up 2 strikes, okay? We're looking for that pullback. It goes up 1 right to 555 and then pulls back to 554. Here, what is this, 1028 until 1041. You had every opportunity to trade this alert. KTR fills, and this thing rips. 228% max gain, 143 buying and holding till the end. Literally no drawdown. Beautiful. For the rest of the session, right? Because we go above the blue, okay, you're looking for bulls. You don't really see it on the Q. We want it after nuke under the strike. And you'll note, it doesn't really happen. We don't really get a big nuke. I guess it hits 556 and pulls back before going +3. But not a great entry. And you're not getting any new alerts. So really on Q today, this 1030 entry was practically perfect. Just awesome. The cool thing is, we go over to SPY, the option flow, the alerts, completely different, right? We don't go down -2. You go 1, back to the blue, still neutral. Pull this up, right? Follow the price action, edge, high win rate alerts. Edge means this alert happens all the time. It's statistically probable to continue winning at the same rate. So let's see. Let's turn this thing on. You'll notice we go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 edge bulls. You're looking to take that trade. But again, got to be thinking like, hey, 1033, these come in 1130. We've moved up more than a strike. You're looking for a pullback, and really, you only get 1 right here. 50 cents higher than the blue line, and these go straight up practically to +2. Best entry right here, 1233. Q was earlier, here right after the open. The rest of the session, we just got ping pong, okay? This is going 556, 557, closing right above the strike. SPY, not as much movement, closing right at +2. Both of them just closing 2 up. When the algos take control, they're going to do whatever they want to do. Let's look at IWM. Oh, what did this close at? +2. Funny. So here, because we're a little bit higher at this 1030 check, we're looking for bulls as close to the blue line or after a nuke. And there were opportunities to take these anywhere under this 222 strike. And if you did that, you got one more. This is actually one of the best alerts of the day, going for 178.18% return, buying and holding until the end of the session. This thing just grinded its way up, but also had another killer entry here, going 48 cents down to the strike. This strike holds, boom. Get the trade, win the trade. Ultimately, following the strategy, if there's a 2 to 3 strike move and return to BL, price may continue in that direction. 2 strike move, return to blue line, price goes all the way up to +3. Follow the system, win more trades. That's what we do. Have a great day. We'll see you all tomorrow.